Yo, what is up, guys? So here, another Civic video. So today I'm gonna try to primer the whole car. So we gotta do a lot of masking, mask all the windows, make sure we don't get none of that overspray, all that good stuff. Hey, what's up, G?
What up?
Hey, what is that? Hey, what is that? Is that a different bumper?
Yeah.
Hey, what kind of bumper is that?
The JDM Lucino bumper.
What'd you call me? No, you said Lucino?
Yeah.
And what countries has that bumper? Or the Lucinos?
Japan. Australia, maybe, I think. Yeah. Everywhere but the US.
The US never gets good shit. That bumper's clean though. Alright, so before we start primering it, I'm gonna go ahead and start sanding out all the surface rust out. We've been having some pretty weird weather, so it's been hot, rain, and then all that. So yeah, I got some surface rust, and yeah, when you got metal exposing, you're gonna get rust. So yep. Woo, it's hot as fuck out here. My boy was smart. You see that? He got that bucket. He looked like Captain McTavish. He looked like soap. This is a
What was it, Captain Price?
Captain Price. There you go, Captain Price. So he's almost done sanding the bumper. He's about to paint it, and I'm pretty much done with the masking. I just need to do more sanding, like where right above where the side skirts are at. There's a little bit on the door handle, but yeah, I'm gonna start primering it pretty soon too. I got most of it masked, so yeah, I'm gonna just make sure it's clean. I'm gonna wipe it down after I'm done, and then hopefully we can primer the whole car by today. Oh shit, is that? Oh shit, is that Joseph?
It's gonna be what? Nice. It's gonna be a little
Damn, Jose came up. Damn, what's up, G? Damn, bro, when's the last time you been on a vlog?
I don't even know, dude.
Sheesh.
Broke boys meet.
Damn, dude, this shit's so white. But damn, Leo's bumper is painted.
I'm gonna do one more cool.
That thing's gonna look so badass, dude. You're gonna have to respray the whole car now, dude.
I know, just for the bumper.
I know. Damn, that shit is pretty white. Well, I mean, it might dull down a little bit, huh? With the sun.
I don't know, I hope. Shit, where's the fucking dull button on this shit? Look at the car.
Yeah, I get.
Looking at that, it doesn't look white no more.
Yeah, this thing's way whiter. That's alright, I mean.
Oh well.
Yeah, we'll see how it looks when we put it on. I mean, it looks good though. And then there's my painting coming along. I would get close, but I want you guys to flame me, so. From right here, it looks fucking great. I'm not gonna get any closer though. Bro, who the fuck is this guy, bro? Joseph, Leo, who is this guy, bro?
It's your friendly neighborhood, Jesus.
What's up? Who is that?
Who is that? Who is that?
Who's younger?
No.
Bro, what the fuck? Where's your mustache,
high
bro?
school, bro?
Where's your
I
mustache?
accidentally shaved a part.
Uh-huh.
And I had to, so.
Dude, that's like one of my worst fears, dude.
I was on the sink.
You're on the sink?
my palm was on the sink. I had the razor, slipped. So this is gonna be me for the next like 3 weeks. No bad.
What? Since when? There's a, which GameStop?
Where the barbecue.
Leo put on that clear coat. Yeah. I like you can see the gloss, dude, like right away. That's the 2-stage one, right?
Yeah, the 2-stage clear.
That shit looks good. Hey, how much is that clear though?
Like 20 bucks.
Damn. Yeah, guys, we bought some expensive ass materials today. Each can of primer is like 20 bucks. What's up? You said what? Hey, bro, where'd your mustache go? Oh wait.
You should have got my reaction.
I'm just kidding. Alright, so I used 2 cans of primer, those big ass cans, and I got most of the car. I'm not painting the bumper because I'm getting another bumper. Same with the hood, so I don't really use much. And the trunk is carbon fiber, so I'm not painting that obviously. And then the top, I still need to finish. But for the most part, primer is pretty much laid on the whole car. I still need to put way more layers, but at least it's like one color now and not blue, red, and gray. Now it's mostly just gray. So that's coming along. Alright, so recently I haven't really had too much time to work on this, but fuck, there's still so much left to do, guys. So the dash is still off. Before we even throw in the K series, I still need to sand down the bay, and I want to shave it down and tuck like the brake lines and all that. So the engine bay still needs a lot of work. So yeah, lots going on. Paint, just the engine, the work in the engine bay, all that shit. Fuck, Leo, why'd you let me do this?
What?
Why'd
It was
you?
your idea.
It was, bro. You should have told me, bro.
Got out of
Stop.
hand though.
Should have told me just to go back to single cam, bro. To be honest.
Non-VTEC.
Non-VTEC, bro. Fuck it.
15.
That sounds a lot better than all this work right now. Hey, what's up, bro? So you already know when you got a broken leg.
Shut up. He's so broke. He bought the kids here. The guys to live in his car now. Where does Zip go?
Wait. Hey, bro, you got someone in there? Hey, Andy.
Help!
Hey.
Help, bro!
Hey, Marcel.
Yeah, I know.
Look at what?
What's up, dude?
So, dog. I mean, it's primed.
Yeah, I just need to sand it.
At least now you can see where the spots you need to touch up on. And shit.
Yeah.
I was telling you should get a guide coat.
Yeah, you need Geico for sure.
Hey. Pelicans got
Shut
Zion.
the fuck up. No way.
They got the first.
Hey, Seuss, what the fuck did I say about touching my fucking camera, bro? Better fucking touch that.
Bro, give it.
Bro, give it to me, bro. Bro.
Fuck all that shit. I'm out this bitch.
Bro, hey, I'm sorry you guys had to see that. We're fine. We're normal. What's this guy doing, bro? He's like, hey, bro, get that away from me, bro.
You know what to do with it.
I don't want it no more, bro. I don't want it no more, bro. I feel like it's mine, but
Because I put one up there and then it's gone.
really,
Yeah. And then I had mine on the trash can.
I hold this from today.
Is it warm or is it cold?
Cold. Should be fine.
Oh, and then it's probably either yours or mine.
I hope
Most
so.
likely yours though. That was from like 3 weeks ago. Mine's just plain.
I
Oh!
Motherfucker.
As I can see you.
Hold on, I gotta drink some more.
Really? Get closer, bro. That shit's way over there.
Oh! That's why I parked on this side. Hey!
Alright guys, so the Civic is put away right now. We're just chilling right now. We're about to go get some food. So I know I didn't really record too much this video, but I forgot it was gonna rain Thursday. That's Leo's next day off. So if it doesn't rain, we'll continue this video. And yeah, his bumper's gonna be put on. I'll keep working on the Civic. So hopefully it doesn't rain, guys. I don't know. We'll see you next time in my next clip. I don't know what's gonna go on next, but I'll see you guys there. What? Is that an EG?
Yeah.
Damn,
Shitty
bro.
ass EG.
You finally swapped in the motor?
Yeah.
And now you're driving it? What? Damn. What's wrong with it? What do you need to replace?
A lot, everything, the whole car.
How come it's not starting?
I don't know. I'm assuming it's the starter cut off relay. The most rarest thing it could be.
But you just swapped in the, what was it, D15?
Yeah, the D15B.
Hey, how's it sound though when you can turn it on? It sounded healthy on your snap.
It sounds good. It sounds good. Definitely does.
Damn.
Some ratchet shit. That's my key right now.
That's your key?
Yeah.
Let me see, bro.
Alright guys, this is how you start. That's how you start this bitch.
No one's ever gonna steal this shit.
Yeah, for real.
Yeah, that shit's idling smooth, bro.
First time we turn on just like that.
Dude, hell yeah. Not fucking bad for swapping in your first motor and trans.
By my complete self.
That's what's up. That is what's up.
G15B.
Is that VTEC, dog?
Low key sounds like VTEC when I'm higher up. It's funny.
Alright guys, I just took the EG for a spin and damn. Single cams are honestly pretty fun.
Alright.
Leo's
Just floor it and it's just.
yeah, single cams are honestly fun. Leo's about to go take it for a spin. He's pretty hyped. I know Leo misses his hatch. He's gonna make him miss his hatch now.
I don't know if it's industrial or not.
It is grabby.
Yeah, it's grabby as fuck. Hey, that shit's sick, dude.
Know, right?
So I'm gonna give you guys a little sneak peek of the new merch, but damn.
This shit's sick, bro. And it's not like cheap or anything either. It feels so smooth.
Hell yeah, bro. I'm glad you like it.
Dude,
I'm glad.
perfect.
Yo, what is up, guys? So it's a few days later. We're continuing the video. So a lot's actually been going on this morning. I went to go take a design to get hats made, and then we picked up these shirts. These were in the process of being made.
What kind of shirt is it?
Hey, bro, what kind of shirt is that? Oh, it's a broke boy shirt. What?
Don't ask questions.
Damn, everything's getting a paint job, bro.
My dad literally came back home from work and was like, hey, when you get home, let's send down my truck. And I was like, what for? And he was like, I want to paint it. And I was like, it doesn't run.
Fuck it, well,
So?
might as well get it
Yeah.
painted all nice and shit.
I guess. Alright.
Did you say what color?
Same color.
Oh, hell yeah. Well, we'll come back and check on Leo in about half an hour, see where he's at with that can. But he threw on his bumper, and that shit looks pretty clean for a rattle can job. And Miguel pulled up. Jesse, what is that? Is that sloppy pasta? Is that Joey? Nah, the jack stand inside.
What's that?
Trash.
I've never heard of it.
I can see the comment section already, bro.
Lame.
Hey, Miguel's defense, guys, he did look for them, but they're already being used, so he tried. Alright guys, so later we're actually gonna go shoot the new shirts. We're just waiting on Jose. We're gonna go find a sick ass location and hopefully drop them by the same time this video is dropped. So it's currently Thursday, and if everything goes to plan, we're gonna drop the shirts Friday. Same with this video, so hopefully by the time this video's up, the shirts are already up, so hopefully. Oh shit, thanks bro. But I'm already done talking, dude, so this is awkward now.
Yeah, you came in too late, bro.
This is my life, I swear to God. I just... With what car, Andy? With what car? Alright, I think my Lyft driver's here. So... Hey bro, you my Lyft driver?
What?
You my Lyft driver?
What's up, bro? Get in. Hop in.
Alright bro, the front or the back?
Anyway.
Alright bro. Alright.
Watch out for all the dildos and shit, bro.
Oh, okay, for sure. You want me to just move to the side?
Yeah,
okay. Yeah, for sure, bro. I got you, bro. No worries, no worries.
Don't touch that, bro.
Alright, bro. I'm sorry.
Yeah, bro. So where we going? Where we heading to, bro?
I just want to get some food.
Oh, before you want some cigarettes, anything? Gum, chips, bro?
You got weed by chance?
Oh, actually, let me see. I got some purple haze.
Oh, you got some purple haze?
Oh, look at this shit.
Who pulled up?
Hold up. Who's pulling up like this? CJ? Pulling up like this. Pulling up like this.
Hi, buddy.
Nah, wait.
Oh shit.
Nah, it's not as good as the first.
Free my boy, Daddy.
Yeah, bro, the block is hot. We got white hats, white legs. What the fuck?
Oh, you trying to match me, nigga? Come on here. Oh, look at this walk.
The joggers.
You look a little big on you, buddy.
Hi, buddy.
Oh shit, my boy.
Yeah, my boy is fresh, bro.
My boy over here walking like he doesn't want to see something.
Yeah, my boy walking like this.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna end off the video right there. We're gonna go shoot the shirts right now. So guys, the shirts are now live. Brian, you wanna show them the shirts one time, bro?
Should I take off my sweater?
Nah, just lift it up, bro. Guys, these shirts are now live. They should be live by the time we upload this. So guys, go cop the new shirts. If you wanna be cute like Brian. You like it, Joseph?
You should buy it.
Yeah, you should go buy one.
Head to the description down below. I'm gonna feel this shit. Look. It said, "Hey, Brian." It's some good printing. And the
Why'd you
tag.
do it on the nipple, bro?
That wasn't his nipple, bro.
Alright guys, so we're gonna end up. Oh, it's a little blur. Alright guys, so yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Alright, so I'm gonna end off the video right there. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys are new, make sure that subscribe button. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. We're gonna get cracking on the Civic more next week, and also I'm gonna go with Marcel tomorrow to look at his cross tour. So yeah, a huge update actually. So
Badass update.
that shit,
We're going
yeah,
to the junkyard first, though. I've been trying to get some more parts.
for sure. So stay tuned for that video if you guys want to see progress on the cross tour. And yep, hey Miguel, hit the subscribers with some wisdom one time.
All the way to Menifee? I had no
Alright, hey Leo, get the subscribers some wisdom, Leo.
all the way to
I be righting my wrongs when I be writing these songs. I'm sacrificing it all. The lonely nights are my motives. Put a price on your